Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to update your GTA 5 on Xbox 360 without Xbox Live. So now let's move on. First, you need to download Horizon. I'll be leaving the link in the description below. So let's move to our web browser. You're going to type in xboxunity.net. So this xboxunity.net. So for me, I want to update GTA 5. So you just move the mouse pointer to the search box and type in the game you want to update. As you can see, this GTA. You move the mouse pointer over here and click on it. These are all the updates for GTA 5. So you just choose one and just click on this to download. I won't download it because I have already downloaded the title update. I already downloaded it already. So this is how it's going to go after downloading it. This is how it's going to be after downloading it. So now you open your Horizon, you plug in your USB flash drive. Give me a second. So now this is my flash drive. I'm going to move this into the flash drive and it starts to copy. So now we are going to switch into our Xbox. So now we are in the Xbox 360. So we are going to move to system, you move to storage, then you plug in your USB flash drive. So this is our USB flash drive. You open, you move to, so now this is our title update. You move, say you need to sign in, so we are just going to sign in into any account. I'm going to move it to the hard drive. Yes. So now you just move to the game you've downloaded the update to and you start to play. But first you need to set the time. You need to change the year to 2015. You change the year to 2015. Then you move to the game you downloaded the update to. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel.